the Epiphone 335, ES335 Pro. This is actually says limited edition custom shop on the back of the peg head. Okay, you're not going to be able to read that, but while we're here, we can see the the Grover Deluxe Clouson style tuners. Now you'll see they have the 2 screws in the back, just like a standard, the old Clouson did, and just like the wherever this thing's made, Clouson replica has. But the difference is that these Grovers actually have a nut and washer rather than just a bushing that it pushes through. So not only is it screwed into the back, but it has a lock nut that screws into it. That's very nice, very stable. I did have to enlarge the holes to 10 millimeter. These were 3/8 or smaller for those bushings. Let's see. Yeah, I'm not sure what the bushings are, but the backside was a little bit bigger. But anyway, had to enlarge those. Put a new bone nut on. Just did that. Restrung it, of course, with new 10 to 46 Ernie Ball slinky. All the electronics are new. All the wiring harness, switch, craft output, jack and switch. Bourne's 500K audio taper pots with orange drops, and these are custom wound PAF style pickups. The pickups I took out were 4-wire, and the original pots had coil split on them. The customer didn't want that. He wanted more like the original ES335. Thought I tightened that. Well, again, I'm glad I found that. So the pickups are wound by John Williams. He happened to have a 59 ES335 in his shop, and he measured it all out. And he doesn't just measure the K value or the resistance. He has all the meters to check the, I don't even know what all the terms are called, but gauge, magnet, strength, and all kinds of other stuff that goes on with that. Henry's. Anyway, I don't know what it means. I just trust him, and every time he winds me a set of pickups, they're awesome. So I'm going with it. So it's all new. Then I just did cleaned everything up, did a setup on it just now. And so I know I did a video initially of the sound. Now, I'm sure I was playing through the same amp. It's just an old 35 watt solid state Yamaha amp, which I happen to actually really like. I think the cone or part of the speaker is blown a little bit. So I don't know what I played originally, but there's this is my neck pickup with the tone wide open.